Good morning, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell, and it's Monday, October 13th. As you recall, Friday, this is the S&P 500 3-minute chart. Currently long the market from right in here. Set up nicely. If you recall, on Friday, the market got killed on Friday. Okay, closing right down in here. And today, the market opened up right here at 9:33, created this inside pattern from the last 3-minute bar of Friday. Once it took out that high on the first 3 minutes, I felt comfortable going long with an initial catastrophic stop below Friday's low of 1893 and a quarter to 1892 and 3/4. Okay, a very low risk trade compared to what I'm looking for in here. I'm looking to take some profits right in here, okay, right in this zone. The 50 exponential is sitting right here. Plus, if you were to go back just a little bit here, I drew the lower white horizontal line on this low of 1906 and a half, okay, and then the upper is the 1909 and a half, which represents this low of 1909 and a half. So this area in here represents, in my eyes, resistance. And if we start breaking up through the upper white line of 1909 and a half, and we start closing above 1909 and a half, I believe we can run up all the way up to 1919 today, possibly. But the market first needs to get over this second white horizontal line, okay? So this is an area of potential resistance right now, so that's why I'm looking to take some profits off the table from the long. Remember, we went long at 18, well, actually I waited for the break up through 1900 because we've got a big number. 1900 is a big number. So a mere penetration up through this high of the first 3-minute bar today, which also happened to be an inside pattern from the big last 3-minute bar on Friday afternoon, okay? So that high was 1899 and a quarter. So I went to 1900 and a quarter. 1900 and a quarter is where I'm long right now, okay? So let me put that down. 1900 and a quarter right there. And let's do this. Alright, so now I'm watching this very closely because, as you can see, the market is failing off of the 1906 even. Market went up to 1906. I'm long at 1900 and a quarter right here. Looking to take some profits in here, and then I'm going to move it up a little bit here. But again, this area where I'm circling around is my resistance. Again, my bias would change completely to the upside with the closing above 1909 and a half. So here I'm going to look to exit 60% of this trade here, and then I'm going to leave the remaining on and move it up. Hold on. Alright, I got out of 60% of the position at 1903 and a quarter. 1903 and a quarter. I am going to leave my stop at 1900 and a quarter. So out at 1903 and a quarter on 60% of the position, left the remaining 40% of my position at 1900 and a quarter, and I'm going to watch this closely. And I'm going to pause the video and see what we get in here. Alright, the remaining portion of my position was stopped out at break even, as you can see. Market came right back to 1900 and a quarter right in here. Took 60% of the profits off at 1903 and a quarter. I should have been taking it off at the lower end of this resistance area, and I didn't. I gave it a little bit more room. So look at how it hit the bottom end of my first resistance. So it was resistance all in here. So this is the bottom end, top end, and again, a close above this other, the upper white horizontal line would represent bullishness, and you could buy the market on a pullback. So that's what I'm looking for today. Still, a close above 1909 and a half would make me bullish, and I would want to get long this market. Of course, coming back down through not only today's low of 1896 and a quarter, and then continuing down through Friday's low of 1893 and a quarter would make me obviously bearish. So there you have it. Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.